You don't stop speaking because you don't know English. You stop because you're not sure how to say things. You think too much. You choose safe words. And later you think, I could have said that better. That's not a language problem. That's a spoken English problem. Today we'll fix that. These are everyday English words that help you sound confident and natural. Stay till the end. Your English will feel easier after this. Hi, I'm Daniel. I'll explain each word and what it really means in daily English.
And I'm Emma. I'll help you understand each word with 2 clear, real-life examples.
Feel free. We use this to give permission or make someone comfortable. It sounds friendly, open, and polite, not strict.
Example. Feel free to ask any questions. Feel free to take a break if you need.
Take it easy. This means relax or don't worry too much. It's very common in friendly and supportive conversations.
Example. Take it easy. Everything will be fine. Hey, take it easy. No rush.
As usual. We use this for something that happens regularly. It shows familiarity and routine in daily life.
Example. He was late as usual. As usual, she handled it calmly.
In case. This is used when we prepare for a possible situation. It helps you sound thoughtful and practical.
Example. Take an umbrella, just in case. I'll save the file in case something goes wrong.
Pretty much. This means almost or mostly. It softens your statement and sounds natural.
Example. I'm pretty much done with my work. That's pretty much what happened.
By the way, we use this to add extra information. It helps change the topic smoothly.
Example. By the way, did you see the email? Oh, by the way, I'm working from home tomorrow.
At the moment, this talks about the current situation, not forever. Very useful in work and daily conversations.
Example. I'm busy at the moment. We're not hiring at the moment.
Not yet. This means something hasn't happened, but it may happen later. It sounds calm and patient.
Example. Have you finished? Not yet. I haven't decided yet. Not yet.
All set. This means ready or prepared. It's short, confident, and very common.
Example. I'm all set for the meeting. Everything's ready. We're all set.
No worries. This reassures someone that everything is okay. It sounds friendly and relaxed.
Example. Sorry I'm late. No worries. No worries. I'll handle it. Confidence comes from comfort. And comfort comes from using the right words. Choose one word from today and use it in a real conversation. If this video helped you, like it. Subscribe for more real spoken English. And comment one sentence using today's words.